were bored. "What do we do now?" asked McQueen. "How about some tractor tipping?" "Okay," replied McQueen, so off they went. "This looks good," said Mater. "How do we get in?" "I'm on it," replied Mater. He hooked onto the fence and pulled it open. They then had some fun. "Haha, that was great," said McQueen. "Oh no, it's Frank! Run!" "Quick, hide in here!" "Close the gate!" "Where are we?" asked McQueen. "Oh wow," he said, and he explored the track. There was even a tractor to tip. "Hey, this sign says no maters," complained Mater. "Oh, ignore that. Have a go," said McQueen. "Oh dear. Don't worry, I'll just watch," said Mater. So McQueen kept going. Mater suddenly noticed Frank and tried to warn McQueen, but it was too late. Mater escaped, but before McQueen could, a tractor blocked the gate. "How do I get out?" asked McQueen. Frank knocked over the sign. "Use it as a ramp," suggested Mater. "Okay," said McQueen, and he went for it. Yes! "Did you see that?" asked McQueen. "No time! Run!" said Mater. "Oh, wait." "Okay, now run!" "We made it!" "That was close, but it was fun," admitted McQueen. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video, which featured the Cars Escape from Frank track set. To set it up, put Frank at the top and lift up the fence and sign. Put McQueen at the bottom and sharply press the button. Then use the sign as a ramp for McQueen to escape. And when McQueen comes back down, he tips a tractor. This set comes with a Lightning McQueen, Frank and a tractor. Thanks again for watching. Here's another video you may have missed.